Welcome to day 14 of your shadowing journey. Today you'll learn 50 flexible phrases to describe anything in English. These will help you sound more natural in conversations, storytelling, and even in exams. Repeat after me 3 times. Let's begin. 1. It looks amazing. It looks amazing. It looks amazing. 2. It sounds interesting. It sounds interesting. It sounds interesting. 3. It feels soft. It feels soft. It feels soft. 4. It smells delicious. It smells delicious. It smells delicious. 5. It tastes great. It tastes great. It tastes great. 6. It seems important. It seems important. It seems important. 7. It appears difficult. It appears difficult. It appears difficult. 8. It looks expensive. It looks expensive. It looks expensive. 9. It sounds easy. It sounds easy. It sounds easy. 10. It feels heavy. It feels heavy. It feels heavy. 11. It smells fresh. It smells fresh. It smells fresh. 12. It tastes strange. It tastes strange. It tastes strange. 13. It looks beautiful. It looks beautiful. It looks beautiful. 14. It sounds terrible. It sounds terrible. It sounds terrible. 15. It feels comfortable. It feels comfortable. It feels comfortable. 16. It smells awful. It smells awful. It smells awful. 17. It tastes sweet. It tastes sweet. It tastes sweet. 18. It looks simple. It looks simple. It looks simple. 19. It sounds complicated. It sounds complicated. It sounds complicated. 20. It feels strange. It feels strange. It feels strange. 21. It smells strong. It smells strong. It smells strong. 22. It tastes bitter. It tastes bitter. It tastes bitter. 23. It looks familiar. It looks familiar. It looks familiar. 24. It sounds familiar. It sounds familiar. It sounds familiar. 25. It feels light. It feels light. It feels light. 26. It smells nice. It smells nice. It smells nice. 27. It tastes salty. It tastes salty. It tastes salty. 28. It looks unusual. It looks unusual. It looks unusual. 29. It sounds relaxing. It sounds relaxing. It sounds relaxing. 30. It feels warm. It feels warm. It feels warm. 31. It smells like flowers. It smells like flowers. It smells like flowers. 32. It tastes sour. It tastes sour. It tastes sour. 33. It looks modern. It looks modern. It looks modern. 34. It sounds boring. It sounds boring. It sounds boring. 35. It feels cold. It feels cold. It feels cold. 36. It smells like smoke. It smells like smoke. It smells like smoke. 37. It tastes hot. It tastes hot. It tastes hot. 38. It looks strange. It looks strange. It looks strange. 39. It sounds exciting. It sounds exciting. It sounds exciting. 40. It feels smooth. It feels smooth. It feels smooth. 41. It smells strong of coffee. It smells strong of coffee. It smells strong of coffee. 42. It tastes spicy. It tastes spicy. It tastes spicy. 43. It looks dangerous. It looks dangerous. It looks dangerous. 44. It sounds peaceful. It sounds peaceful. It sounds peaceful. 45. It feels rough. It feels rough. It feels rough. 46. It smells natural. It smells natural. It smells natural. 47. It tastes delicious. It tastes delicious. It tastes delicious. 48. It looks bright. It looks bright. It looks bright. 49. It sounds loud. It sounds loud. It sounds loud. 50. It feels amazing. It feels amazing. It feels amazing. Great job finishing day 14. You now have 50 flexible phrases to describe anything, people, places, or experiences. Practice them daily, and your English will sound more natural and confident. See you in day 15 for even more powerful practice.